Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you the best competitive settings for Dota 2. These settings balance the best visual quality while maintaining highest possible FPS for your computer. This is no BS tutorial, so let's get right into it. First things first, you're going to go to camera and you're going to make sure that you disable screen shake. This will cause visual clutter when you try to play the game, which will distract you. You're going to want to make sure you turn that off. Scrolling down, I want you to scroll down to miscellaneous section. I want you to go down to network quality. Make sure you have the high-end network selected. If you have a really bad Wi-Fi connection, then you should use low-end network. But I would suggest using high right here. You should check display network information. That way, it'll tell you if you're having packet loss during the match, so you can know if you're lagging. For display settings, you're just gonna go ahead and hit advanced settings. Go to 16 by 9, then set it to 1080p or 1440p. If you have a 1440p monitor, you can set borderless window. Windows is optimized now to run borderless window with a very little drawbacks. So you do not need to run it full screen, so now you can tab out without having to worry. Scrolling down to the basic settings, you're going to want to drag it all the way to the fastest, then hit use advanced settings. And the only thing that you want to turn on is compute shaders. I've seen a lot of videos telling people to put animate portrait and ambient collision. Guys, everyone's just posting the same wrong settings. Just hit compute shaders, it's the only thing that you have to hit. Now, texture quality, you're gonna go ahead and want to set it to high if you have a decent graphics card. It's really not gonna go ahead and affect your FPS at all. Now, if you have a very low VRAM, you can set this to low, but I like to set it to high. It increases the visual quality and it doesn't decrease any FPS. Effects quality, you're gonna go ahead and want to set this to low, and shadow quality, you definitely want to turn it off. I've seen a lot of tutorials saying to put it on medium or high. There's no reason to have shadows on if you're trying to increase your FPS. It just creates visual clutter, so again, turn off shadows. When you get to the game screen render quality, you're gonna go ahead and want to turn this all the way up to 100% maximum frame rates per seconds allowed. You're gonna go ahead and set it all the way as high as you can. You can also set it to the refresh rate of your monitor, so if you have a 120Hz monitor, you can set it to 120 to reduce stuttering. Dashboard maximum frames per second, you can set it to whatever you want. Now scrolling down to rendering API, you want to set this to direct 3D11, not Vulkan. I've seen a lot of videos saying to put it on Vulkan. Very rarely is a Vulkan a better option. Okay, so make sure you hit direct 3x11. You're gonna go ahead and hit this NVIDIA Reflex Low Latency to enable. And that's it for the end game. Now what we're going to do is also add some run commands on Steam to also add performance. So I'll show you that now. Okay, so on your Steam page, what you're going to do is go to right click on Dota 2, go to properties, that will bring up general, and then while you're here, you're going to go ahead and go to launch options. Go ahead and copy this code right here, as this will increase FPS a little bit, as well as a map Dota 2 will cause the game to start up quicker. And also increases more performance because it's adding high priority to the process that are running Dota 2. Once you save this, launch the game, and these are the best settings for the max FPS and visibility in Dota 2. Don't forget to like the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.